IntelliROL Full Width Belt Installation Tool. MHS Conveyor offers the IntelliROL Full Width Belt Installation Tool. This tool is designed to assist with the installation or removal of the charge end roller in full width belt motorized roller beds. Using this tool allows a single individual to perform maintenance and repairs quickly and easily. Part number 118663 is now available for purchase. Please contact MHS Conveyor for ordering information. For more of these maintenance videos, please visit mhs-conveyor.com.